Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can earn money online by affiliate hosting. Simply let me open Google, and after that here we can type Hostinger affiliate program. And now let's open this website. This is hostinger.com, and this is the best website for the domain and hosting. Here you can see this is affiliate program. Just you can refer your friends and you can earn a lot of money. Simply click here, and after that then click here continue, scroll down, and here you need to sign up account as a partner. Then here you need to provide your own details, and after that you need to get approval. So to approve this account you need to create some videos, for example how to use Hostinger as well as various other videos. And after that you should have a website where you can promote this hosting. And after that let me show you how I got approval. I have hosting package. Let me log in. Just you can easily log in with email and password, and also here you can see there are the social options. Let me log in with the Google. Okay guys, now I am logged in into my Hostinger account, and after that on the right side here you can see, just click here account, then referrals. Now here you can see this is my affiliate link, and before that you will have option here to create your new affiliate link. So they did not ask me for the approval. If you have any hosting package with the Hostinger, then you can easily create your affiliate account, and after that just you can copy this link. So this is Hostinger affiliate link. Then you can promote this link on various social media platforms where you are getting traffic, for example YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and many more. You can also invite your friends by adding here their email address. So guys, when someone purchase hosting from this affiliate code, then I will get commission here, that will be listed here. So in this way you can easily earn a lot of money by sitting in home by affiliate hosting.